Hi, my name's Debra and I'm just going to, this is done basically for my brand new beginners. I'm going to do individual demonstrations on individual steps. This particular video is going to be teaching 45's or heel together. So I'll just turn my back and I'll be speaking from the back so you can dance the actual dance and practice. Okay, here we go. So we're going to start off with our weight on the left and we're just going to be doing 45's. So a 45 is at a 45-degree angle, that's why it's called a 45. 45 degrees to the right or 45 degrees to the left. I have my weight on the left, so we're going to start off with a right 45. So it's heel, take weight, heel, take weight, heel, take weight, heel, take weight. So that was 4 sets of those. So with a count, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or heel, take weight, heel, take weight, heel, take weight, heel, take weight. Or with what it is. With a count, I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel together, heel together, heel together, heel together, or heel, take weight, heel, take weight, heel, take weight, heel, take weight. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.